Software solutions need to adapt and scale alongside a business as it changes and grows. But without the proper expert assistance, it can be difficult for a business to continuously maximize the value of its software investments. Businesses need a comprehensive plan that includes access to experienced resources for support, ongoing activities, and to optimize the use of their software. Advanced Customer Support, or ACS, is NetSuite's proactive managed service solution that provides those resources. ACS comes complete with a named Customer Success Manager and solution team. It offers businesses support and advice on maintaining and optimizing their solution, as well as executing against that advice. ACS helps businesses transform from reactive to proactive, leveraging NetSuite's capabilities at an optimal level, mitigating risks, and increasing ROI as the business continues to grow and change.